What if I told you the secret to making a man deeply miss you has nothing to do with him? It's not about playing games. It's not about the no contact rule. It's about becoming a ghost in his reality, a ghost he desperately wants back. Have you ever felt that terrifying thought that if you stopped texting first, you'd never hear from him again? That your presence is optional? We're going to fix that permanently. By the end of this video, you will have 10 psychological tools that will transform you from an option into an obsession. Your absence won't just be noticed, it will be a void he'll do anything to fill. This isn't about manipulation. This is about high-value psychology. We're not chasing, we're building a presence so powerful that its absence creates an undeniable emotional impact. Forget everything you've been told about being more available. We're mastering the art of the echo, the impact you leave long after you've left the room. Let's start with the foundation. Pillar 1, the internal foundation, becoming the epicenter. The first 3 skills have nothing to do with him. They are about you becoming the main character of your own life, so he's just a guest star. Skill number 1, master your own narrative. What? Cultivate a life so genuinely fascinating and fulfilling that a man is only a complement, not the centerpiece. Why? The psychology. This triggers his fear of missing out, FOMO. When you're busy living an amazing story, he'll want to be a character in it, not the whole plot. People are drawn to passion, not passivity. How? The action. Pick up that hobby you dropped. Plan a weekend trip with your friends without telling him every detail beforehand. Post a story of you excelling at something you love. Your phone should be a distraction from your life, not the other way around. Skill number 2, cultivate emotional sovereignty. What? Become the source of your own happiness and validation. Your emotional state is not dependent on his texts, calls, or mood. Why? The psychology. This communicates immense inner strength and eradicates neediness. Neediness is the ultimate attraction killer. A man can't miss you if you're constantly seeking his reassurance. He misses the woman who is a rock, stable, and self-assured. How? The action. When you feel anxious because he hasn't replied, don't text again. Instead, put your phone down, go for a run, call a friend, or journal. Soothe your own anxiety. You become the prize, not the contestant. Skill number 3, embody enigmatic energy. What? Don't be an open book. Maintain a layer of mystery. Why? The psychology. This leverages the curiosity gap. The human brain is wired to solve puzzles. If he thinks he has you all figured out, the chase is over. Mystery keeps you on his mind because he's trying to fill in the blanks. How? The action. You don't need to share every thought, every past trauma, or every detail of your day on the second date. Answer questions honestly, but don't over-explain. Let him earn the deeper parts of you over time. Pillar 2, the interaction, the art of unpredictability. Now that your foundation is solid, let's talk about how you interact. This is where we rewire his expectations. Skill number 4, master differentiated communication. What? Vary the length, tone, and response time of your texts. Why? The psychology. This breaks his pattern recognition. If you always reply in 5 minutes with a long paragraph, he gets complacent. Unpredictability creates anticipation and excitement, triggering the dopamine reward system in his brain. He literally gets a chemical hit from hearing from you. How? The action. One day have a rapid-fire, witty text exchange. The next be busy and reply hours later with something short and sweet. Let some messages be deep and thoughtful, others fun and playful. Skill number 5, become a peak experience creator. What? When you are with him, be fully present and make your time together incredibly high quality. Why? The psychology. This uses the principle of positive association. He will associate you with laughter, deep connection, and feeling good. When you're gone, he doesn't just miss you, he misses how he feels when he's with you. That's a powerful craving. How? The action. Put your phone away on dates. Ask deep questions. Be adventurous. Focus on creating a memory, not just passing time. Be the fun, not just the +1. Skill number 6, introduce strategic scarcity. What? Be less available, not in a fake way, but because you're genuinely busy with your amazing life. From skill number 1. Why? The psychology. The scarcity principle is one of the most powerful triggers in marketing and human behavior. We inherently value things that are rare or difficult to obtain. Your time and attention are your most valuable assets. How? The action. You don't have to say yes to every last-minute date. It's okay to say, I'd love to, but I'm busy tonight. How about Thursday? It shows you have a life and respects your own time. Skill number 7, the art of the graceful exit. What? Be the first to end the conversation, the phone call, or the date, at least some of the time. Why? The psychology. This leverages the Zeigarnik effect. Our brains remember incomplete tasks or conversations more than completed ones. By leaving him wanting more, you ensure the interaction stays active in his mind long after it's over. How? The action. While the conversation is at a peak, say, "This has been amazing, but I have to run. Let's talk soon." You've ended on a high note and left an open loop. Pillar 3, the detachment, the power of the void. This is the final, most advanced pillar. This is where your absence becomes a tangible feeling. Skill number 8, master the art of withdrawing energy. What? Learn to pull your focus and energy back when you feel he's pulling away or being inconsistent. Why? The psychology. This is based on the concept of investment and reciprocity. If you constantly overinvest when he's underinvesting, you devalue yourself. By matching his energy, you create a vacuum that he must choose to fill. How? The action. If his texts become short and infrequent, don't double text or ask, "Is everything okay?" Mirror his behavior. Get busy with your life. The silence will force him to confront your absence. Skill number 9, enforce your boundaries fearlessly. What? Have clear standards for how you expect to be treated and be willing to walk away if they're not met. Why? The psychology. This is the ultimate display of self-worth. A man cannot respect you if you don't respect yourself, and he cannot miss someone he doesn't respect. Your boundaries are the price of admission to your life. How? The action. If he consistently cancels last minute, say, "My time is valuable, and that doesn't work for me. Let me know when you can plan something concrete." It's not an ultimatum, it's a statement of value. Skill number 10, embrace the fear of losing him. What? Be genuinely okay with the possibility of him leaving. Why? The psychology. This is the core of true confidence. People can sense desperation. When you operate from a place of abundance, knowing you'll be happy with or without him, it creates an incredibly attractive, non-needy energy that paradoxically makes him want to hold on tighter. How? On the action. This is an internal mindset. Remind yourself of your own value. Your happiness is your responsibility. This energy is something he will feel, and the absence of that secure, confident energy will be the most deafening silence of all. So you see, it's not a list of tricks. It's a roadmap to becoming a woman whose presence is a gift and whose absence is a genuine loss. It starts with your internal world, extends to how you interact, and is solidified by your willingness to walk away. You're not creating a void to punish him. You're building a life so full that when you step away, a void is the natural result. Now I want to hear from you. This is our community. In the comments below, tell me which of these 10 skills you are going to start mastering this week. Declaring it makes it real. I'll be reading and replying to as many as I can. If this video opened your eyes, chances are it could change the game for one of your friends. Do her a favor and share this with her. Empowered women empower women. And finally, if you're ready to leave anxious and available behind for good and step into your magnetic, high-value energy, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Become unforgettable.